Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove footer page number in Word. Let's open the Word document. There you can see the page number in the footer. A first method you can use is to go to the Insert menu. There, click on Footer and then select Remove Footer. You can see that it will have been deleted. As an alternative method, look at the number in the footer. You will double-click on the footer and then simply select the number and press the Delete key. This will delete the number in the footer. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.